Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Cleanse your face and pat dry so the mask adheres. Measure 1 teaspoon raw honey and add 1/2 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Mix into a uniform paste. You must patch test on the inner wrist for 5 to 10 minutes to check sensitivity. If redness or burning appears, do not use on your face. Once the patch is clear, proceed immediately. Avoid prepping with heavy products so the natural enzymes and acids can work effectively. You apply a thin, even layer to your face, steering clear of eyes and lips. Once on, gently massage for 30 to 45 seconds to stimulate circulation and help absorption. Then let the mask sit for 8 to 10 minutes so honey's humectant properties lock in moisture, while lemon's mild acid helps brighten. If you're oily or acne-prone, mix in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric for antiseptic benefit. If dry, add 1/4 teaspoon plain yogurt to reduce acidity and increase hydration. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water, using circular motions to remove residue, then a cool splash to close pores. Make sure to follow with a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer. If it's daytime, apply SPF to protect newly treated skin. If you experience stinging, redness, or burning at any point, rinse immediately, pat dry, apply pure aloe vera, and stop use. Consider seeing a dermatologist if symptoms persist. Keep frequency to 1-2 times per week for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.